All right, here we go, guys. I know you normally see us outside, y'all. It's a little chilly outside, so guess what? We came on inside. We're right here. Where are we at, y'all?
Nissan of Union City,
We're at-
4080 Jonesboro Road.
Oh, the man even gave you the address over here, y'all. We're at Nissan of Union City. I'm out here. I got Big Cam, the car selling expertise right here.
Yes, sir.
And then we got Brianna. Everybody
Hey,
knows.
guys.
Everybody knows that smile. Listen, Brianna's here. She's gonna be under the tent. Y'all need to come in. Y'all need to see her. We're doing it big. We got gifts. We got stuff. Look, even more than that, we got cars, right, y'all?
Cars, 2023s, they gotta go.
Got to go.
They gotta go.
So we're doing whatever it takes for the 2023s to go. Look, y'all, they out there. They got to go. We are selling cars out here. Listen, there's other things going on too. We got 0% available. Everybody talking about all these high rates. Got 0%, right?
0%.
0%.
That means nothing.
Nothing.
So we're out here, y'all. It's Nissan. Listen, it's Nissan south of Union City. Give me the address one more time.
4080 Jonesboro Road. We in Union City, 30291.
He even gave the zip code, y'all, for people like me who gotta put it in the GPS. Listen, we got a lot going on, y'all. It's no payments till spring. It'll be warm outside
Warm
before y'all
outside.
gotta make a payment.
Won't be this type of weather outside.
Won't be this type of weather, so y'all need to come on out here. I'm gonna tell you right now, though, I'm gonna give you some inside scoop. These 23s, they gotta go away. When they're gone, we ain't getting no more. We ain't getting no more. So they told me before, William, tell them in the video, we don't have room for the 24s that are coming. The 23s gotta go. We're doing whatever it takes. Look, we got cars out here that are up to $13,000 off.
Whoa.
13,000. I'm not talking about 1,000,
Whoa.
2,000, 4,000. 13 grand.
13.
So listen, while these deals last, y'all need to come on out here. We're doing it big. Doesn't matter your situation, we are doing it big. Look at this showroom right here, y'all. We ready to sell cars. We are ready to sell cars. So listen, it's out here. It's Nissan South Union City. It's Big Cam. He's out here doing his thing, making 23s go bye-bye.
Let's go.
And y'all need to come on in here. Just go under the tent. Brianna's gonna be under the tent. Go see Brianna, y'all.
See Brianna.
Go look for the smile. Look, we're out here. We're doing it big. Everything's got to go 0%. No payments till spring. 23's got to go up to $13,000 off. It's Nissan South of Union City.
Here we go.
Here we go.